Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And here I am with another video. And this is a very Indian video because I have created this Rakhi makeup tutorial since Indian festive season is around. I thought this would be the perfect timing to start with the Rakhi makeup tutorial, which is very absolutely natural looking because I wanted to keep it natural but still make sure that it lasts all day long, just making sure my skin looks flawless. And I am using one brand tutorial, and for that today I am going to be using everything K-beauty that I have. Now it's not important that you also use the same products that I do, that's a disclaimer. You can use whatever products you have, but I like K-beauty products a lot. They kind of create filter on my skin like an Instagram does, and it makes my skin looks really pretty and healthy. So since I love those products and I have them with me, I thought I should make this one brand tutorial using K-beauty makeup products. And just an heads up right here that whatever products I am going to be using, whether K-beauty or non-K-beauty, is going to be down in the description box. But the products that are non-K-beauty, I am not going to be showing here because the motive of the video is to use only K-beauty products. So non-K-beauty ones and K-beauty ones, everything will be listed in the description box. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So for this Rakhi tutorial, I am going to start with all K-beauty products as I already mentioned. And I have done my skincare, my brows and primer because I don't have any K-beauty product for primer and all of that. So I'm going to use whatever I have. You can use whatever you have. You don't have to specifically use this brand. So as you see, I'm going to start with concealer. I am using in the shade 100Y Light. I am going to just use it under my eyes and little bit around where I have my acne marks or pigmentation here and there. And I'm just going to spread it evenly throughout my face. Now when the concealer is all blended out, excuse the outside noises, I really can't help it. But after doing that concealer, I am going to move to contour. This is the contour stick by K-beauty. I don't have shade name, but I'll make sure I drop it in the description box for you guys. And now coming to the cream blush, I am going to apply this blush on my cheeks and just take it under my eyes. Like you see nowadays, there's a trend of this ombre under eyes. So before doing anything else, I'm going to set my face on place with this setting spray. This is not by K-beauty, but nevertheless, it's a nice setting spray. It's a very fine spray. It makes sure your makeup lasts all day long. And now I'm taking this K-beauty loose powder on a nice fluffy brush and just going to set my under eyes. This is how my base is looking. It's looking very nice. As I see myself in the mirror, it's looking very nice, blurred out, kind of a filtered skin, very pretty. And now I'm going to move towards the eyes. So let's start. So for the eyes, I'm using this K-beauty Self Love palette. This is how the palette looks like from the inside. I have used this palette quite a lot and I've created a lot of looks. I'll link the playlist right here for you guys to watch if you want to. And I'm going to keep it again very nice and simple. This is the shade Rose. I'm just picking it up and I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. Like not really an eyeliner, but I'm going to line with it on the outer corner. Because I want that pop of color on my eyes, but at the same time I don't want it to like stand out. Now I'm going to take the shade Rust, and it's a brown shade, and I'm going to go very close to my lash line and just dab it with an angled brush to create a little bit of more pigmentation around my lash line. So I'm going very close to the lash line. And now I'm taking this shade Blush and I'm just going to nicely apply it on my crease a little bit so that it doesn't look oily throughout the day, and blend it into my eyeliner. And now I'm mixing my shade Rustic and Blush and just going over my waterline to tie everything together. And now taking this highlighter shade Petal, I'm just going to put it on my inner corner to make my eyes a little bit. And now that is my eyes and face pretty much done. I am going to do mascara, but before that we need to do lips. And I do this quite a lot. I am using my contour sticks to line my lips, and then I'm just going to put on a gloss. You see, it gives such beautiful lining to my lips, right? It makes it look really voluminous and pretty. And guys, this is how everything K-Beauty has turned out. I absolutely love it, and I love how my skin is looking natural, beautiful. I got little heavy-handed with the blush, but that's just my taste. You can go according to your taste, what you like. And that's all for this video, and there's going to be a lot of videos coming in, so kindly subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!